This is a guide on how you can add Discord bots to your Discord server. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. As you can see, we're in the server that we created in the last video. Yeah, this is the server that we created, and I taught you how to create channels and everything. Okay. Now, today, we're gonna add a few bots. Okay. Bots are basically helpers, or you can just use bots in your Discord server to handle a few things like roles or some commands. Okay. So let's just see how you can do that. Okay, to add bots to your Discord server, what you're gonna do is you're gonna close the app, close the Discord app, and open any browser if you want. Okay, I'm using Google for this. Open any browser, click on the search bar, and search for that bot that you want to add to your server. Okay, so let's just say there's a bot called Carlbot, which is a really popular bot, and it's used to just moderate your server or use commands. Okay, so what you're gonna do is search for Carlbot and also write Discord bot. As you can see, the first website is the official Carlbot website dashboard. As you can see, click on it, and on this page, after the website you've opened, click on the login with Discord. You'll have to log in with Discord if you want to invite this bot to your server. So we're gonna do that. As you can see, it has already identified that my account is Adam, and we're gonna click on authorize. And now you'll get the option to choose a server. You can use this if you have multiple servers. We only have one, so it's pretty easy. We're gonna click on Adam server. As you can see, we're gonna click on that. Okay, now it'll ask you for permissions. As you can see, it can add a bot to server, it can create commands if you want to. Okay, so it's all good. We're gonna click on continue. Okay, on this page you'll get the option to choose the permissions that you want to grant this bot. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of permissions: administrator, manage server, and you can choose what permissions you want to give him and what not. Let's just say I don't want this bot to read message history, so I'm gonna uncheck that. And yeah, that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. I'm not gonna uncheck this. I would suggest you do not do like not uncheck any of these. This bot is pretty trusted, and you can just let it all be like this. Okay. Once you're done, click on authorize. Now it'll ask you to if you're a human or a bot. Click on I am a human. Okay, it's loading. Okay. It says let's get Carl added to your server. Click on get started. Now you can choose the prefix that you want to use. The basic prefix is the question mark. I'm gonna keep it like this. You can choose whatever you want. You can make anything the prefix. For example, I'm gonna do this, and it'll be the dot will be the prefix as well. Click on next once you're done. Welcome users to your server with a nifty welcome message. You can choose this if you want to. I'm gonna keep it none and click on next. Okay, as you can see, this is the reaction role templates. Okay, so this allows you to give access to the new members of your server to choose roles for themselves. For example, they can choose the color of their name, okay, and the continent they're from, their zodiac sign, platforms, pronouns, whatever you want. So we're gonna click on this. Actually, we're not gonna choose anything. Okay, we're gonna keep it like this. I don't really want any rules, so you can choose it if you want to. Click on next once you're done. After that, you'll have the option to choose the mute role. We don't really have a role yet, so you'll have to create it, but we'll discuss this in some other video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Click on next, and that's it. I think bot has been added to your server. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna close this bot. I mean, close this browser and open Discord. And as you can see, Carlbot joined the party. As you can see, it has joined the server at 4:31. And that's pretty much how you add a Discord bot to your server. You can do this with any bot you want. Okay, Carbot isn't the only bot that you can add. There's a lot of bots like Dino, etc. Okay, Vic. You'll just see once you get a hook of it. And that's it.